Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf cart battery charger. First, confirm your charger is securely plugged into a functional wall outlet. Next, make sure your golf cart's main power switch is in the on position. Visually inspect all charger cables for any signs of fraying, cuts, or exposed wires, as damage can prevent proper charging. These initial steps are crucial for diagnosing the problem effectively. Now, let's focus on the battery and connections. Carefully inspect your golf cart battery terminals for any corrosion, which appears as a white or green powdery substance. Clean any corrosion thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Also, double-check that the charger's plug is fully and firmly inserted into the golf cart's charging receptacle. A loose connection is a common culprit for charging issues. To determine if the charger itself is faulty, you'll need to test its output. Using a multimeter, measure the voltage coming from the charger's output plug. For a 36-volt system, expect readings between 36 and 40 volts. For a 48-volt system, look for 48 to 54 volts. If your readings are significantly lower or zero, the charger likely has an internal issue. If your charger consistently shows no output or very low voltage after troubleshooting, replacement is often the most practical solution. Internal component failures, such as a bad transformer or circuit board, are typically not cost-effective to repair for most users. For complex electrical diagnostics, or if you're unsure, it's always best to consult a qualified golf cart technician. Safety first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.